Here I have prepared a JSP program to display the current time. This is the part that will display the current time. Let's run this application. This page here displays the current time in 24 hours format. Currently, it is Tuesday, May 19, 2020, 13 hours, 45 minutes and 31 seconds. So it is 1:45 p.m. Let's refresh this page. So when we refresh this page, the new time will be displayed for us, which is 13 hours, 45 minutes and 53 seconds. So in this output here, no style has applied to this page. Let's have a look at a page that applies style. This page here have nicer presentation where style is applied to the HTML component. The style that we have defined did not mess up with the Java code. We can define the style and apply it to our page. Okay, so this is the part that we apply to our page in terms of div class, text box and class banner. And then later on we can add our Java code here. So here we add our Java code to display the current date and time.